Welcome everyone to this Moo token and Moo wallet app demonstration. What we have set up here is actually 4 phones. Four of them are all connected with the app, and one to show you the back-end operations of this system. What we have got in the middle is the merchant app, which has the products in there, and the other 3 are client apps. I'm going to demonstrate to you how you can purchase the Moo token and eventually convert the Moo token into Moo coin and go through with the purchasing, and I want to also demonstrate how fast this transaction actually happens. So the first instance is if you want to buy this, once you've downloaded and activated the app, you've got this. You click on this button called the top up, and it brings you to this screen where you can either buy token or buy coin. If you don't have token, you can never buy coins. So to buy token, you click on this. You've got an option of either paying through PayPal or through any one of the cryptocurrencies. Now if you go through PayPal, it'll bring you to the PayPal's interface so that you can purchase using your normal PayPal. Now, assuming you've already bought, like as in this case, the client app has already got 180 tokens and it's got 200 coins. If I want to buy more coins, I click on this button called Moo Buy More Coins and click in the amount. Let's say I want to buy 50. Earlier you had 280. The minute you do this, it says successful, and if you go back to the back screen, you will see that it has been deducted by 50 coins and your 50 tokens, and the coins has increased by 50. Now let's proceed to purchasing. So you go to the merchant and you tell him you want to buy, let's assume you want to buy this Laban, which is about 10 coins, and you tell him you want to buy about 3. Okay, so the merchant actually then creates a QR code for you to scan. You take your app, the client takes his app and scan QR code, and the minute you scan it, the system picks it up and says, are you sure you want to pay 30 coins to buy 3 Laban? And before I press OK, just so that you can see the speed with which this transaction completes, I want you to focus on this screen over here. These 4 phones indicates that there are 4 phones currently locked into the system. Watch. Go. That's it. Within a few milliseconds, the transaction is completed. And over here, you will see how fast it took for the transaction to be completed. And at the bottom corner, you will see the blocks that was created during this period of time. And when you go back into this, you'll find that he has paid, the client has actually paid 30 Moo coins. The merchant has now, if you look at transactions, the merchant has been credited with 30 Moo coins. And interestingly enough, the third app says that it received a fee of 1% of the transaction. Okay, and where did that transaction fee come from? It came from the merchant. 1% of he had to pay 1% for the transaction fee. Now that completes the whole token economics, token ecosystem. Thank you.